Hello everybody, Somewhat Girly here with another unboxing. Blanket disclaimer, I am visually impaired, meaning that I can't see fine details. I do use the zoom on my phone camera here, and I do have glasses on, but sometimes I get things wrong. And if I do, just go ahead and let me know down in the comments what I've gotten wrong. Later on, I'll figure it out, and with your help or somehow helping. Unfortunately, we are not going to need the bayonet today, which is my letter opener. It does not have an edge before somebody starts getting a little upset about that. It came opened. A little upset about that. This is Stickii, which is a $10 a month subscription service of stickers and stationery items. There are 3 different packs. I get the cute pack, which is not, it's not better than the other 2 packs. It's just the one that I picked. The other 2 packs are the vintage and the pop pack. Each set has their own theme, has their own color system and everything. As I said, this came opened. I have not looked yet, and I'm hoping everything's in here, but this was like this when we got it. It comes out to $11 a month with, I think it's shipping, honestly, that they charge for. And let's get into it. It comes in this really nice folio sleeve here. This should be Halloween. Nothing's in here. Now, I don't need to use this as a backdrop anymore since I bought a new desk mat, which is amazing. All right, let's give this out a little bit here. Okay, so this is for the month of October. It may or may not have October items in it. I think I see some already. But usually the stickers for the month that you get them in are meant for your planners and your crafting ideas and letters and whatnot for the next month. So what we'll do here is we will take out our theme sticker, which tells us that we can use this to decorate the bottom of here so we know what theme it was. Excuse me. Or you could stick it anywhere you want. All right, what we got here is one fall memory. No, one fall morning. I got it wrong. What do we got here? It looks like pancakes. Ooh. I'm already loving this. I'm already loving this with the pancakes on there. I think that's a little chick. That is pancakes, right? I could be wrong. It could be a steamer basket for all I know. All right, let's put that aside here. Let's go into our flap here, which usually has something small and adorable in it. Looks like one item, and it looks like it might be paper clips. They have been doing these plastic paper clips lately. Last month, this is what we got too. Which aren't bad. They just stick up above whatever you're using. So if you're using them for a planner, they're a little cumbersome. All right. What we got here is adorableness. Is that a hot pot? Is that a bee? I can't tell. I don't know. But these, from what I can see, are adorable. The lighting is a little off because I'm doing this in the afternoon right now. We had a parade here today. Currently, if I upload this later, currently it is Sunday, October 17th. Yeah, we had a Halloween parade for the first time in over a year because of, spicy flu. These are really pretty. And yes, they're plastic, which is okay. These are great bookmarks because they're kind of thin, so they won't damage a book, which is real nice. Okay, so that's that pocket. Okay, front pocket. Are you Looks like so far everything is inside here. So nothing must have fallen out. All right. Oop. I opened it and I resealed it. That's great, huh? Okay. Get rid of that packaging. What do we got here? Is it sticky? Is it a sticky pad? I'm thinking it's a sticky notepad. But it is. That's sticky. But where are you going to write on this? I mean, I'm not a big fan of notepads that don't have a space that's like lighter for you to write in, but I guess like this little area here. Like, why would you have such a big notepad with only a little bit to write on it? Is that bird sunbathing in that cup? Looks like an owl. Is that an owl? Yeah, it is. This is a plate. I mean, it's really cute, but like, how would you... I mean, the back's white, but how would you properly write on that? I like it though. I really do. I like that. Okay, so now on to the stickers in the back, which hopefully all of them are here. All right, so see, you get to keep this folio here, sleeve, to put into your sticker books, which I have binders, one from the company and one from Amazon that I was able to purchase to put them all in. Okay. I am going to zoom in for each of these from now on. Oop. What was that? What did I do? I don't think I did anything. No. Okay. Okay. My phone's also moving. I don't know why it doesn't sit still. Okay, it looks like we have a very crunchy owl who may or may not be a wizard. I don't think... Whoa. Hey. Yeah, why not use a flash? Duh. These are cute little birds. These are absolutely adorable. Oh, look at the cherries. Absolutely adorable. Okay, so this matches the notepad. Just chilling out in some warms. Is that his foot? Oh, goodness, goodness, goodness. This is the first sheet, and this is wonderful. This is a wonderful sheet. And there is the person who created this one and who created the notepad. Put that off to the side, and I'm going to show you the next one, which is stuck to the one behind it. Okay, so this one is a clear background, and it looks like sandwiches to begin with. That one looks like maybe a rainbow cheese one. Do they have faces? Oh, that's a little... Oh, they do have faces. Okay. Actually, this reminds me of a whole bunch of other ones that we've gotten before. This penguin here. So I'm wondering if this is a reoccurring artist. A reoccurring artist, you say? Yes. Someone who is drawn from them before. Waffle pancake sandwich? Maybe? Look at the little... Are those shrimps? Oh my god. One of my favorite characters from Sumiko Garashi is Ebi Fu. I can't remember the rest of its name, but it is adorable. That one, is this a sushi type? That's salmon and avocado. Is that a face? They've got faces. I think I'm disturbed by that. All right, what do we got here? It says StickieClub.com, and this one here, maybe this is the name of the person. Can you see that? Yeah, that's their Instagram. Yeah, I recognize this little penguin. All right, we'll put that off to the side. All right, third one. Are you stuck too? Sometimes they get stuck. Okay, what do we got here? More food items with faces. And Gold foiling. Gotta love a gold foil. Gotta love a gold foil. I love these cute little ones. That is a happy pancake. Happy pancake. These are adorable. Oh, look at the cat. I love that foiling. There's someone else I watch on YouTube. She opens Harry Potter stuff. And she calls herself like a Niffler, which is a Harry Potter character that likes to collect shiny things. You know, kind of like a ferret. So there's the name of the person who created this art. Love these. I think they're kitty cats. They could be bears. But those are adorable. Okay, so that's sheet number 3. Number 4 is a little lighter. Is that a piggy? Is that a piggy? I love piggies. Okay, I'm thinking he's covered in honey. There's a little, is that a sheep? Or is it a cow? Oh, it's a cow. Oh, it's so precious. There's a bumblebee. There's a bumblebee. Oh. What are you? I don't know. Oh, flowers with bees on them. Oh, that's adorable. My sister would scream for that. She loves bees. Absolutely loves bees. Oh. I'm trying to be cute right now. I'm trying not to sneeze. Are you another baby cow? Oh, I love cows. I love pigs. Love cows. Like cartoon versions of them. I'm not sure how I feel around a real one. Is he drinking like a honey boba? Fun fact, I have not tried a boba yet. I have not tried boba. Is it? No, wait, you know what? That's not a pig. That's a cow. That is a cow. Oh, precious babies. Oh, I am beside myself. Who is the artist? Who are you? There you are. There's the wonderful artist. Stars and Sprinkles. Oh my god. I'm going to go on Instagram and I'm going to start following this person. Hands down. All right, next sheet has more food on it. Oh wait, that's toothpaste. There's a frog on that toothpaste. Why is there a frog on that toothpaste? Oh. There's a frog on that too. Is this all frogs? Oh. Oh, look at that baby frog. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to. Oh, I love frogs so much. I love them more than pigs and frogs. I mean pigs and cows. Look at the frog. Look, I love how like in every single like image there's like a frog somewhere in it. Like a little tiny frog. Where are you? Are you not in that one? Or are you the butter? You are the butter. Oh, I can't wait to decorate next month's planner page. I'm gonna cry. This is so adorable. I love mushrooms too. Oh, see, this is the stuff I live for. And there's the artist. Thank you so much for contributing. All of the artists, actually. Oh, I love the little frog in the window. All right, next sheet. Are you 2 sheets? Are you 1 sheet? Are you red fish, blue fish? Pushing. Oh, we got Pushing. Oh, that's Stormy. Actually, there's Pushing with pancakes. Oh, sitting in the window enjoying the fall. Like that's a mood right there. A whole mood. This is beautiful. It's another character. I followed Pushing a long time ago on Instagram before the artist got super duper big and started like doing merchandise. And I thought it was such an adorable character. That is a big sticker right there. I don't know what the sloth's name is. And I don't remember what the dark cat's name is. That's a new one. But that's Stormy. There's Pushing. And there's the artist tag. Let's see. Here's another clear one. Mushrooms. Mushrooms with different faces. Oh. Different colors, different faces. Are they foiled? Because it seems kind of shiny. Like there's a little bit of shine around their face. I'm thinking there's foil. Where's your artist? Look at this guy. Roar! It reminds me of Maple Story. Oh, there's no artist tag. Oh, that's sad. could be an artist at Stickii.com, or it could have been like a sticker fell off somewhere. No, it's on the back of the Pusheen one. Okay, and the last one. Chestnut and sweet potato. Cafe sweets. Oh, okay. This one matches the paper clips. Okay, so I was not wrong. Those are pancakes. There's a sweet potato. Oh, there's like a, what is it? Is it just a regular raccoon or is it a tanuki? What do you think? What are we thinking? Oh, look at the dongo. Don't mind the noises in the kitchen. It's almost dinner time. Okay, there's the other paper clip. Well, these two right here, I think. Where was that? Oh, that's where that came from. That was on the theme. The theme sticker had this one, but the two paper clips were this one and that one. More beautiful, beautiful artwork. All of the ones for this month are beautiful. I actually absolutely and positively love. There's their information. All of these have a symbol on them for Instagram, so if you want to follow them on Instagram. Okay, so let's bring this back. There we go. The camera has moved, obviously. Okay, so this month we've got 7 stickers. Can we zoom out some more? I'm really sorry about that. 7 sticker sheets. We have our theme sticker, our Post-it style notepad, and 2 plastic paper clips. There we go. And that is what we got in this month's sticky package. I really love the theme of this. I really love the sticker sheets that we've gotten in this pack. And I cannot wait to decorate my planner. Oh, and don't forget, you also get the sleeve, which goes into... Well, let me see if I can pull one out for you. This is one of the official StickiiClub.com's sticker binders, I would say. Their organizer, sticker organizer. This was an older one, a blue one. I'm going to fill it up until December, and then I'm going to buy a new one for next year. Probably off their site, but it actually goes into here. If you want to look for it on Amazon, look for an A5 6-ring binder. This is one I got off of Amazon, and it fits them just perfectly. But there you go. Thank you so much for watching the video. I hope you have a great day. I do not know what my next video will be. I don't know what kind of energy I'll have for that one, and I don't know what kind of energy I'll have for any other one. But thank you for being here, and I will see you again. Bye-bye.